Hey y'all, welcome back to Smoking Berries. And today I am helping out the video, and I am going to be making my own barbecue white sauce. And this is with the hashtag white sauce explosion by Cheesy E. And so let's go ahead and get started.
We call it Big Pete sauce because when she started making this, she never made it the same. Every time was different.
Yep.
So let's get into it.
Alright. So to begin with what I got, I have a half cup of mayo. We prefer Duke's mayo. Alright. Okay. A fourth cup of water. Alright. Half a teaspoon of horseradish.
We are using my wife's friend's homemade horseradish. Feel free to use whatever kind you would like. Here's the recipe. Screenshot. Boom.
Making sure I get all the stuff out. Right? Now I have 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. And I am going to freshly squeeze a half teaspoon of lemon juice. So I'm going to get all the seeds out. You can kind of eyeball it. That's about half a teaspoon. And in here I have 1 tablespoon of turbinado sugar because we didn't have any white sugar. A half teaspoon of salt and pepper, and an 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne. And we're just gonna mix all of this in. And that is it. It's pretty simple, really fun to make, or easy to make. And yeah, on to the next part.
All right, guys, Smoking Berries here. Cheers, everybody. Hope you're having a great Sunday. Today's collaboration is with Eric with Cheesy E. We were talking about doing a white sauce explosion. Doing an Alabama white sauce. So at the beginning you saw Peyte do her thing. Here's my sauce. So Big Bob Gibson's, they're the founders of the white sauce. It's a mayonnaise-based barbecue sauce. They take the chicken halfway through and they dunk it in the sauce, shake it, and then put it back on. So we thought we always do it with chicken wings, so we're going to do them with chicken wings. So we'll get smoked chicken wings is what we're going to do.
Can we do them on the gasser?
Yes, you can grill wings on a gasser.
No, smoke them on the gasser.
Smoked wings on the gasser. Yeah, you can smoke wings on a gasser. And you say how?
How?
This is what I got. I'm going to go with the Amazing Tube.
And why that?
Because it says it burns pellets slow and it'll work on a gasser. I've never tried it, so we'll give it a whirl. I got a cup of hickory pellets. So we got the grill heated up. Got it on low setting. Running 350 there. The Maverick's saying, oh, well, it's open, so it was saying about that. So I got the tube filled up with some pellets. Let's go ahead and light this. Turn the lock off. Go ahead and get this bad boy lit. Now it says to get a flame and then blow it out, but I didn't have I had a flame.
You had one and you lost it.
Got my flame. Let it burn to catch. Go ahead and put the wings on.
I hear a plane. But I can't
Go ahead and slide the wings on right in the middle. So we will have to go like that. Okay. Blew it out.
Is it hot?
Slide it here in the corner. And let's close it down. So it's only been about maybe 30 minutes. I don't know if you guys can see that smoke coming off that right there. All that smoke. That's from that amazing tube. Pit's running 336. So awesome. Alright guys, I forget how long it's been, but we're temping 162 right there. Ooh, that's hot. And 153 in that one. Got some crunch though. About 160. So let's go ahead and put some of this white sauce on. I had a little trouble with the tube because it spiked temperature a couple times. I think because the wind is coming in, but you know, I had to deal with that. Put this white sauce on. Oh man. Yep. Get it all on there. Now they dunk it, but I'm just going to spread it on top. Like so. Yep, get it all on there. Get it all on there. Let all that flavor go. Alright. So there it is. I'm going to let it go a little while and we'll temp them in, I don't know, another 30-40 minutes. Alright guys, so we're back. Let's see where we're temping at now. Making my hand hot right there. So some of these are done, so I'm going to pull off the ones that are done and then we'll be back. Alright guys, so got the wings. I got half the wings off. The other half, they was only at like 156, 165. So I moved them around so they can get a little farther done. More up around that 170 or higher, where I like them. So let's look down. Here they are. Can't tell you the smell that's coming off here. It's real. I don't know if earthy is the right word, but I don't know. So we're gonna add a little bit more of this white sauce. Drizzle it on top. Yep. White sauce explosion. Alright, so it's just easy for me to squat down. So let me get into one of these. Get a wing here. See, the bone pulls right out. Wow. That mayonnaise and the vinegar actually got down into the meat when I pulled it apart there. So that really flavored that chicken. And that Bayou Bear, it's like a great all-purpose rub. Complements it very well. Now you see these coming clean. Alright guys, so alright, so that's what I got. White sauce explosion. That's our big Peyte sauce, smoked on a gas grill. Can it be done? Yes. Is there other ways to do it? Absolutely. I encourage you guys to try it out. I encourage you to go and find out different ways to do it and let me know how you like to do it. Just write it in the comments below. And get out there fired up with your kids. Try something different. Doesn't matter how crazy it is. Hey, as long as they're involved, man, that makes the cook 100 times better. Smoking Bears. Cheers. Have a great week, everybody.